Functions of vitamins. 1. Vitamin A. Role. Vitamin A plays an important role in growth and body repair, keeps the skin smooth and essential for vision. 2. Deficiency. Deficiency causes night blindness. 3. Source. Fortified milk, butter, eggs, cream, leafy vegetables, carrot. 2. Vitamin B1. Role. It is an energy-building vitamin, help in the digestion of carbohydrates, keep the heart and muscle stable and necessary for nerves. 2. Deficiency. Its deficiency causes beriberi, muscular weakness, cramps, and heart swelling. 3. Source. Pork, cereals, legumes, nuts, and seeds. 3. Vitamin B2. Riboflavin. Role. It is important in forming RBCs, protection of mouth and mucous membrane and skin. 2. Deficiency. Its deficiency causes pellagra. 3. Source. Milk, leafy green vegetables, cereals etc. 4. Vitamin B3. Niacin. Role. Helps in releasing energy from carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, very essential for the DNA synthesis, used to lower elevated LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels in the blood, boosts the level of HDL, the good cholesterol, in the body, essential for the proper digestion of the food etc. 2. Deficiency. Its deficiency causes loss of appetite, indigestion, skin lesions, mental imbalance etc. 3. Source. Meat, poultry, fish, cereals, vegetables, peanuts, butter etc. B6. Pyridoxine. Role. It is essential for the production of antibodies, for the CNS and help in protein metabolism in the body. 2. Deficiency. Skin problems, nervous system disorders, muscle spasms, sleeplessness. 3. Source. Meat, fish, poultry, vegetables, fruits etc. 6. Vitamin B12. Cyanocobalamin. Role. It is important for carbohydrate and fat metabolism, growth of child and formation of blood. 2. Deficiency. Its deficiency causes anemia. 3. Source. Meat, poultry, fish, seafood, eggs, milk. 7. Vitamin C. Ascorbic acid. Role. It is essential for protection of bones and for healthy teeth and gums. 2. Deficiency. Its deficiency causes scurvy. 3. Source. Citrus fruit, guava, pineapple, tomatoes, spinach, turnips, strawberry. 8. Vitamin D. Role. It is very important for the growth of children. 2. Deficiency. Its deficiency causes rickets in children and osteoporosis in adults. 3. Source. Egg yolk, liver, fish, milk. 9. Vitamin E. Role. It plays an important role in wound healing, prevention of sterility, breaking blood clots and prevents damage of cells due to aging. 2. Source. Leafy green vegetables, soya bean, cottonseed, liver, egg yolk, nuts etc. 3. Deficiency. Its deficiency slows down the formation of RBCs. 10. Vitamin K. Role. Essential for blood clotting. 2. Deficiency. Its deficiency causes blood clotting disorder. 3. Source. Leafy green vegetables, milk, fish, liver, alfalfa. Minerals, their functions, source and signs of deficiency. 1.